Good morning, students. Today I'll be doing 8.3 of chapter 8 Trigonometric. We have completed till question number 11. I have completed question number 11 of exercise 8.1. Now 8.3. So before moving to 8.3, this I need to tell how to get the values of 45 degrees, that is sine 45, cos 45, tan 45. How to get these values? So first is let me start with 45-degree angles and trigonometric ratios. So here I will be drawing a diagram 45 degree, and one angle will I told you that one angle will always be 90 degree. Let me draw here a diagram. This is A, B, C. Now I'm supposing that this angle is my 90 degree angle. Theta is 90 degree. Sorry, this B is 90 degree and theta is 45 degree. Now you know that if this is 45, angle C is 45 degree, you know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is this sum of angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Angle B is given to be 90 degree, angle A and M can be 45 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree. It's nothing but angle C equal to, to calculate this will be minus 90 minus 45. It is 90 minus 45 only. This is nothing but 45. So angle C is equal to 45 degree only. Sorry, this angle A instead of C. Let me suppose this is angle C. This angle A. I need to calculate the value of angle. So I am writing like this. This A. So angle A is 45 degree. Now angle C and angle A both are 45 degree. Now if you know that in a triangle, if two angles are equal, then the side opposite to them are also equal, which implies that this AB is equal to BC. So which implies that AB equal to BC as angle A equal to angle C. So what does this mean is that equal to C. Now let me suppose that this is BC is my K. I'm supposing this is K unit. So A will also be K unit. Now only one theorem I can apply. Yes, Pythagoras theorem. Now applying Pythagoras theorem, what you get is that AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. AB and AC are equal, all K units, so which implies K square plus K square equal to AC square, which implies that AC square equal to 2K square. This is nothing but AC equal to plus minus under root 2K. Minus I'm neglecting because this side cannot be, length of side cannot be negative, which implies AC equal to under root 2K. Now I'm calculating my this sine of theta, where theta I have taken to be 45 degree, so I can write it at sine 45 degree. I'm considering theta, and that is I'm looking at C here. So sine of 45 is perpendicular, that is AB by hypotenuse AC, and AB I have taken to be K unit, and AC you got it at under root 2K, which is sorry, this is K under root 2. This is K get cancelled under 1 by root 2. Now if you see cos 45 degree, it is based by hypotenuse, is BC by AC, and BC is also K. This is K root 2, nothing but 1 by root 2. And tan 45 degree, though you know that you have to divide this, but I'm from given triangle, I will be able to, I'm calculating this, so this will be AB by BC, that is perpendicular by base, which implies this is K by K, nothing but 1. Now next is cosec 45 degree. Cosec 45 is hypotenuse by perpendicular, which is nothing but hypotenuse is AC, but perpendicular is AB. So this is root 2K by K, which is nothing but this is root 2, and secant 45 degree is nothing but hypotenuse by base. So hypotenuse is nothing but uh, AC by BC. This is root 2k by, this is also k, which means this is root 2. And tan, not tan, cot 45 degree is nothing but base by, so this is base by perpendicular, which is nothing but base is BC by AC, and both values are k, so this comes to be 1. Now I have made a in the last lecture, I have last to last lecture I have told you that this, I have made a table and I have written that this sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, cos 45 degree is also 1 by root 2, tan 45 degree is 1, cosecant 45 is root 2, that is inverse of sine, and secant 45 degree is also root 2, and cot 45 degree is 1. These are inverse of each other, and hence you can prove that you can find the value of 45 degrees. Now 45 degree ratio we have find. Now I'm moving ahead with what moving ahead? I'm moving ahead with how to find the value of 30 degree, 60 degree. Now in the last I have taken to be this angle to 45 degree. Now there's two angles, 30 and 40, 60 and 30. I need to construct, now I'm supposing that I am taking an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, you know that in equilateral triangle all three sides are equal and all three angles are also equal and each angle is 60 degree. So I'm assuming that this is my A, B, C, and this is my angle bisector. You know that in a equilateral triangle, the angle bisector is nothing but perpendicular, and this divides this base into half also. So I can, on the given figure, you can see that this and this angles are equal. This angles are already B and A, angle A equal to B, angle is D, and this is, I'm supposing this is my point D, and since this is my 60 degree and this is also 60 degree, so this angle will be 30 degree and this angle will be 30 degree because this is an angle bisector, divide this into two half, and this angle is 90 degrees, and this is an equilateral triangle. You need to write it an equilateral triangle. And let me suppose that I have taken this side to be k units. One side is k units, others all sides, the other two sides will be also k unit because this is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle has sides equal. This is also k unit. This is all this long BC is also k unit. Now you know that this D, that is this D, is a midpoint. So you can, from the given figure, you can see that this is k by 2 unit and this is also k by 2 unit. Now applying Pythagoras theorem, that is applying Pythagoras theorem in any, you can take any triangle, either ABD or ADC. I am taking triangle in triangle ABD. So you can see that this AB is a hypotenuse, so AB square is nothing but AD square plus BD square. Now you know that you know the value of AB in units, and BD also you need, you know this. Now you have to find the value of AD square. So I am substituting the value of AB, that AB is k square and this is AD square plus this is BD square, this is BD is k by 2 whole square, so which implies that AD square is nothing but k square minus k square by 4, which is nothing but root 3 by 4 k. 3 by, sorry, this is 3 by 4 k square, and so, and if you calculate the value of AD, nothing but under root 3 by 4 k square, whole, this plus minus and minus is neglected, and so this is, and AD is nothing but root 3 by 2 k unit. So this is root 3 by 2. Now in triangle, I'm again tracking same in triangle ABD. I'm taking theta 1. No, not, I'm not necessarily taking the, I will be just writing the same. That is sine of 60 degree from in this triangle, sine of 60. See, this is 60, so sine of 60 will be this angle is 90 degrees. So this is perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is AD by AB. Now AD, you know, this is root 3 by 2 K, and AB is K unit, which implies this is root 3 by 2. Now second is cos 60 degree. What is cos 60 degree? This is base by hypotenuse. Base is BD by AB. So this is nothing but BD is K by 2, it is given, and this is K, so this will be half. Now what about this is tan 60 degree? Tan 60 degree is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is AD by BD. Now you know the AD is root 3 by 2K, and this is half K. So if you divide this you become root 3. So this is tan 60 root 3. Now if you take the inverses of this is cosecant 60, this is equal to just inverse of this, that is AB by AD equal to 2 by root 3. You can calculate, I'm just directly writing, you can calculate. Secant 60 is nothing but AB by BD is equal to 2, and cot 60 nothing but BD by AD, that is 1 by root 3. So here you can get the all values of 60 degrees trigonometric ratios. Now you need to find the value of 30 degree. In terms of 30 degree, you need to get it. So how you can same thing you can take for this angle 30 degrees given. This is your 30 degree. So applying in the same, you can apply that. Uh, that is sine 30 degree is from this sine 30 degree. This only perpendicular will be BD. This is BD by AC. BD is half of K, and this AC is K unit, so this will be half. Cos 30 degree. What is cos 30 degree? From here, this is cos is base. Base is AD by AB. AD by, sorry, AB. Not, this is AB. AD by AB. That is, this is AD by AB. So AD. It is given to be root 3 by 2K by K. So this is root 3 by 2. And tan 30 degree is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is BD. Base is AD. So this is BD by AD is nothing but half K by root 3 by 2. Sorry, BD is half K and is root 3 by 2 K. This is nothing but 1 by root 3. Now if you take this converse thing, this is cosecant 30, cosec 30, simple word, this is AB by BD, nothing but 2. Here also you can see that secant 30, nothing but AB by AD, nothing but 2 by root 3, and cot 30 is nothing but AD by BD is nothing but root 3. So this way you have calculated the ratios of 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. 90 degree and 0 degree I have already told that this base becomes shorter and this base becomes infinite, or this base becomes 1. So what will happen? I have shown it there. Now directly moving to your exercise question. What it is saying that it says that, yes, this was a table I have already shown you. So direct jump to the example number 6. So what does it say? It says that in a triangle ABC, right angle at B, that is angle B equal to 90 degree, AB equal to 5, and angle ACB is 30 degree, determine the lengths of BC and AC. BC and AC. So example number 6. So this is Example 6. Angle ABC, it is ABC, angle right angle at B, that is angle, this angle 90 degree, and AB is 5 centimeter. AB is 5 centimeter. This length is given to be 5 centimeters, and B angle ACB, that is ACB. This angle is 30 degree. Is given the question. This angle is 30 degree. Determine the side BC and AC. You need to find these sides. Now, how to do this question? We know that. So this, according to angle this 60 degree, this will be my perpendicular, this will be my base, this will be my hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is fixed, but perpendicular and base with respect to this is this. Now, if you need to find the base, perpendicular is given and angle is given, you know that there is a ratio named the tangent of theta, that is tan of 30 degree, nothing but AB by BC, and tan of 30 degree, you know that this is 1 by root 3. Now you know that AB is 5, this is BC is equal to BC, and this is root 3, which implies that value of BC is nothing but 5 root 3 centimeters. 5 root 3 centimeters. Now for calculating hypotenuse, you can also do it by using Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square plus BC square will do this, but this will be lengthy process. So directly applying, you know that this is given to you and this is given, that is perpendicular hypotenuse given, and there is one ratio named that sine of 30 degree, that is sine theta, nothing but perpendicular, that is AB by hypotenuse, that is AC. AB is given to be 5 centimeter and hypotenuse is not given, this is, but sine of 30, you know that this is half, so which implies that AC equal to 5 into 2, this is nothing but 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. This is your answer. BC is 5 root 2. See, BC, sorry, 5 root 3, and this is your 10 centimeters. This is 10 centimeters. Even you can, they have shown this, but this will be little bit lengthy, and there are chances of getting mistakes, doing mistake. So this is the lengthy process. Now example number 7. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q, see this figure, and PQ is given to be 3 and this is 6. Determine angle QPR, angle PRQ. Okay, no problem. This in triangle PQR, so we need to draw a triangle PQR. Always draw, even if the figure is given, you need to draw this, because the figure, most of the things are hidden in the figure. If you draw the figure, you will get the relation between the terms. So in triangle PQR, so this is right angle at Q, angle PQR, right angle at Q, and this PQ is 3, PQ is 3 centimeters, and PQ is 3, given to is 3 centimeters, and PR is 6 centimeters. PR is 6 centimeters. They are saying that you need to find these two angles. That is angle QPR, angle QPR, and angle PRQ. You need to find the two angles. Now, suppose I am taking this to be theta 1, and this to be theta 2. You know that already know theta 1 plus theta 2 plus 90 degree. That is sum of angles of interior of a triangle PQR is nothing but 180 degree, which implies that theta 1 equal to 1, theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, which implies that theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to 90 degrees. You already know this, nothing new. So if I take with this, see, for theta 1, this theta, this is PQ is base and PR is hypotenuse. So there is one relation, that is cos theta 1 equal to base by hypotenuse. Base is going to be PQ, this is by PR. Nothing but PQ is going to be 3 centimeters, and this is going to be 6 centimeters. This is 1 by 2. Now you know that for cos theta equal to 1 by 2, theta will be 60 degree. So which implies that theta 1 is equal to 60 degree. Now From this relation, you get the value of theta 2. Theta 2 is nothing but 90 minus theta 1, which is nothing but 90 minus 60 degree. 90 degree is nothing but 30 degree. As theta 2 is equal to 30 degree. Now what is my theta 1? Question 1, this is not given theta 1. The I am taken theta 1 is angle QPR is 30 degree, and this is angle PRQ equal to 30 degree. The 60 degree, 30 degree. Alternatively, you can also do this that for cos theta, this is for this theta 2, this is perpendicular, PQ is perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse, PR is hypotenuse. Now you can write that sine this theta 2 is equal to nothing but PQ by PR. So sine of theta 2 is nothing but this is given PQ is 3 centimeters and this is 6 centimeters. This is nothing but this is half. So for sine theta to be half, that is theta is nothing but 30 degree. So theta 2 equal to theta nothing but 30 degree, and this is nothing but P angle PRQ is also 30 degree. This is lengthy, so I directly solve it, that becomes easier for you. So next is if this since this, find A and P. Now it is given that example number, okay, number 8, that is sine A minus B equal to half. This is given. I'm not writing myself, this is given. And cos A plus B is half. And cos A plus B is also half. And given that A plus B is less than equal to 90 degree. Greater than 0 and less than equal to 90 degree. So find the value of A and B. And A is greater. This is assuming that A is greater than B. So find A and B. Now you know that for sine theta to be half, which implies that theta is to be 30 degree. Sine theta 1 to be half, this is 30 degree, and cos theta 1 to be half. So cos theta 2 is to be half, that is theta will be equal to 60 degree. So from this relation, from I'm using from this relation, I get that A minus B is 30 degree, and from using these two equations I get that A plus B is 60 degree. Now if you add these two equations, I'm just adding A, this minus B plus B gets cancelled, this becomes 0. So this is 2A, I'm doing addition, so 2A plus is equal to 90 degree, which implies that A equal to 90 degree by 2 is nothing but 45 degree. This my A is 45 degree, and if you put this in this equation, it implies that A minus B equal to 30 degree, which implies that A is 45 degree, this is B equal to 30, which implies that B is nothing but 45 minus 30 is nothing but 15 degree. No, 15 degree. So A and B is A is 45 degree and 15 degree. And even from here you will get A is 45 degree and B is 15 degree. Simple. Simple. Now coming to exercise number 8.2, which says that it's a simple exercise. That is exercise 8.2. Question number 1, first part. It says that evaluate the following: sine 30 cos 30, that is sine 60 degree cos 30 degree, sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60 plus sine 30 degree cos 60 degree. Now you not need to just put the value, that is sine 60 degree, know that is sine 60 root 3 by 2 into cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. So this is like this, plus this is sine 30 is half and cos 60 is also half. Now this is root 3, that this is 3 by 4 plus this is 1 by 4 is nothing but 4 by 4 is nothing but 1. Alternatively, had you completed this whole thing, you know that this cos 30 can be written as sine of 90 minus 30. 90 minus 60. Sorry, this is cos 90 minus 60. So this is done as cos 90 minus 60, and this is 90 minus 60. This is written as sine of 60 degree. Also this cos 60, sorry, this sine 30, this sine 30 is done as sine of 90 minus 60, which is nothing but equal to cos of 30. Sorry, cos of 60. So if you see that this is nothing but this becomes sine 60 into sine 60 plus cos 60 into cos 60, nothing but sine square 60 plus cos square 60. You know that sine square plus cos square is 1, and this value you can also confirm that this correct. Simple, but you need to, if you are doing in school, so this first solution that is written in magenta pen is correct, and if you are doing after completing whole of this exercises, then any both of them will correct, but shorter method is second. The second part is 2 tan 45 degree square, that is 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 minus sine square 60. This is cos square 30 degree minus sine square 60 degree. To evaluate this is nothing but 2 into tan 45 is 1 whole square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square minus this sine 60 is also root 3 by 2 whole square. And if you need to evaluate this, so you know that sine this a square, this will both get cancelled, which means there's nothing but 2. So now third is third part is cos 45 sec 30 cosecant 30. Cos 45 degree by sec 30 cosecant 30. Secant 30 plus cosecant 30. Now this is, you know that cos of 45, you know that cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Now if you know the secant 30, this is the inverse of cos 30, and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. This is 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 30 is inverse of sin 30 is half, that is 2. Take the LCM. This is 1 by root 2 in numerator divided by this is 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. So if you expand this, nothing but this is 1 by root 2, get downward, this is 2 plus 2 root 3, and root 3 goes above. So this is like this, root 3, or even you can write it as this is root 3 by 2 root 3 plus 2 root 6. You like this. Now next is fourth, sine 30 degree. So what is fourth? Fourth, I'm saying that fourth is nothing. Sine 30 tan 45 sine 30 minus tan 45 degree plus tan minus cosecant plus tan minus cosecant 60 degree sec 30 cos 60 upon sec 30 cos 60 plus cot 45 degree. Now if you evaluate this, sin 30, you know this is half, sin for tan 45 degree is 1 minus cosecant 60 is also half. Cosecant, sorry, this is cosecant, so this cosecant 60, this is This is inverse of sine 60, and sine 60 is root 3 by 2. This is 2 by root 3. 3 divided by secant 30. This is secant 30 is inverse of cos 30. Cos root 3 by this is 2 by root 3. And cos 60 degree, you know that cos 60 is half, and cot 45 degree 1. 45 degree 1. So this is nothing but, you take 2 root 3 as LCM. So this is root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 by root 2 root 3 upon, this is if we also take 2 root 3 as the LCM, this is 2 root 3, this is bigger thing, and this is smaller thing becomes, this is 2 to the 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. So this is nothing but, if we find this 2 plus root 3 plus root 3, this is 3 root 3 minus 4, and 2 through 3 to the this gets cancelled, and this becomes 3 root 3 plus 4. This is the answer. Now fifth part is 5 cos square 60. So next is fifth part. 5 cos square 60. 5 cos square 60 degree. Next is plus 4 secant square 30 plus 4 secant square 30 degree minus tan square 45 minus tan square 45 degree by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Hadn't been, I am doing this question by after completing my whole chapter, I would have directly substituted this value to be 1. Your sin square 30 plus cos, the sin square plus cos 30 is nothing but 1. So I will be doing this by normal method. So this was 5 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. This is a square, so this will be into square, and 4 secant square 30. Then secant 30 is the inverse of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3, but this is 2 by root 3. This is square minus tan square 45. Tan 45 is 1, and 1. This is my square. And now sin 30 is half, and this is sin square 30, so this is square. Cos square 30 is, this is root 3 by 2, so this is root 3 by 2 whole square. Now if I solve this is 5 by 4 plus this is 2 to the 4 to 16 by 3 minus 1 by, this is nothing but 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. And if I take 12 to be my LCM, this is 12 to be my LCM, this is nothing but 4 by 4, and this denominator is 1, becomes 1, is 4 by 4, and this will take LCM, this is nothing but 5 3 15, 16 4 64 minus 4 3 12. So it just become 1. This is ultimately, this whole thing will become 15 plus 64 minus 12 by 12. So if I goes from here to here, this is 64 minus 50 plus 15 is 79. This 79 minus 12 by 12, which is nothing but 67 by 12. This is my answer. Now next is question number 2. I'll be doing all the parts, and part number 1 is so question number 2, part number 1. Question number 2, part number 1. It says 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30. 2 tan 30 by 1 plus and minus this plus tan square 30. If you write this is, I know this is my formula, that means 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This will be in your 12th class. 11th class. And this will be 2 tan theta. This is tan. This is tan of 2 theta, and theta is 30. So this is tan 60. Directly I know this tan directly, but it is not possible in class 10. So you need to calculate. This is 2 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3, and here also this is 1 plus this tan 30 is 1 by root 3. This is whole square. This is nothing but 2 by root 3 divided by this is 1 plus 1 by 3. So if you do this, this is nothing but this is will be 2 by 3 plus 1, and 3 goes here. This is 3 into 2, and root 3 goes here, and this is whole. And if you do this, this is 3 by root 3 is root 3. There is nothing but 2 root 3 by 2. 3 plus 1 is 4. This is nothing but root 3 by 2. 3 by 2. And if you see the option, that is sine 60, sine 60. So this options are, the options are sine 60, cos 60, tan 60, and sine 30. Sine 60, you know that's what is sine 60. It is root 3 by. So this formula is for sine 2 theta. So this will become sine 60. No problem. This sine 60 root 3 by 2. And if you know this is cos 60, nothing but half. And tan 60, you know that's already this is root 3. This is root 3. And sine 30. Sine 30, you know that this is half. So from there, it is root 3 by 2 is only equal to this. So sine 60 is your correct answer. Now if you go to second part, the second part you can see from here that this is 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. This is 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. This formula is for this is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square thing, but this is cos of 2 theta. Cos of 2 theta. But this cos of 90 is a little bit 0. No problem. You can even solve this as 1. This is nothing but 1 minus 1 whole square by 1 plus this is square. So this is sorry. Oh my god. This is your 1 square. So this is 1 minus 1 by 2. This is nothing but 0. Now as per the option given the question, it is tan 91 sine 45. That is tan 91 sine 45 or 0. 0 or 0. Now you can see that this is 0 is equal to this, so your 0 is the correct. This tan 90 is infinity, is not defined, and this is 1, and sine 45 you all know, already know this is 1 by root 2. So this is 0 is equal to 0, so your 0 is your answer. Now third part. What is third? Third question is sine 2. It is given that this hold true. Sine 2a equal to 2 sine a. It is sine 2a equal to 2 sine a. Is true when a is true when a is. And there are 4 options given: 0, 30, 45, 60. 0 degree, 0, 30, 45, and 60 degree. 60 degree. Now if you see this, this is sine 2a. In place of a you write this is 2 into 0 is equal to sine 0, which is because 0 into 0 is 0, so this 0. And if you calculate sine of 0, so this is also sine 0. This is 2 into sine, this is nothing but 0. This is also 2 into 0, this is nothing but 0. So this is true, hence this is value true for only 0. And if you put 30 degrees, so this is become sine 60 degree is never equal to sine 30 degree. Next is sine of 45 degree is never equal to sine of 90 degree, and even sine of 60, even if you write this sine of this is 120 degree is will never be equal to sine of 60 degree 2. 2, never equal to this. So accordingly only this for 0 it satisfies, hence A is correct. Now the fourth part is, what is the fourth part? Fourth part says that 2 tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree, and directly say this is the 30, this is 30, this is minus, since denominator there is a minus sign, which means two of them will be added, which is this is formula for sine 2 tan. So directly I'm putting the value. So this is 2 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3. This is 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. And if you solve, this is nothing but 2 by root 3. And this is 1 by 3. Which is nothing but 2 by 3 goes here. And there is 3 minus 1 here. And this is root 3, and this 3 denominator goes to, from denominator goes to numerator. And if you calculate, this is nothing but 2, this is root 3, and this will be root 3, and this is 3 minus 1 is already 2, so this 2 and 2 get cancelled, is nothing but root 3. And root 3, you know that root 3 is tan 60 degree, root 3. So from the given option you can say that option C is correct. No, C is correct. Even if this is formula for tan of 2 of theta, where theta is 30 degree, and if you progress, but this is for only when you pass your 11th class. Don't forget about this. Now third question, a plus b is root 3 tan. So what is given that if tan a plus b equals root 3 and then a plus b is root 3 and tan a minus b is 1 by root 3 and tan a minus b is 1 by root 3, and also a plus b, I think is, yes, p is less than equal to and greater than equal to 0 in 90 degree, and a is greater than p. So from here you can see that tan tan of 60 degree equal to root 3, you know this, so this implies that a plus b equal to 60 degree. This is equation 1. Now what is your equation 2? From here you said that you know that tan of 30 degree is 1 by root 3, so you know that a minus b is 30 degree. So if you write this here, so if you see that this is plus b minus b becomes 0, and if I'm adding this to equation, this 2a equal to 90 degree, which implies that a is equal to 90 degree by 2 is nothing but 45 degree. This is my 45 degree, 45 degree, and if you substitute this value of 45 degree in this equation, a minus b 30, yes, a is 45 minus b equal to 30 degree, which implies that your b is nothing but 45 minus 30, nothing but 15 degree. So this is 15 degree. That is, a is 45 degree and b is 15 degree. Is your answer. Is your answer. Now, last equation, last question of the exercise. So the question number 4. So question number 4. There are few parts here. So directly I will be doing. So State whether this is true. Sine A plus B is sine A plus B. Sine A plus sine B. No, this is not true. This is not a linear equation where you can express, that is, sine is never multiplied with A, so it cannot be expressed like sine A plus sine B. Now, the value of sine theta increases as theta increases. Yes, you know that. See, if you see the value of sine 30, see, if sine 0 is sine 0, then sine 30, then sine 60, sorry, then sine 45 degree, sine. I have also told this, but to remember this in your lifetime, see, write the sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is half, this is, and this is half is 0.5, and this sine 45 is 1 by root 2, which is nothing but 0.707. Sine 60 is, this is root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2, which is nothing but 0.8, root 3 1.732, 8 section was 6. Now in sine 30 is 1. This is 1.0. This is 0.0. So if you goes from this, you can see that is 0 degree, and then next angle is 30 degree. Just this is increasing. 45 degree, 60 degree, and this angles are increasing. The theta is increasing. When you can say that the value even is 0, just 0.5, which is greater. 0.707 is greater than previous, and 0.866 is again greater than previous value, and this one is again greater than previous value. Now, if you see that if your angle increases, that the theta increases, then your sine theta will also increase. Sine theta will also increase. So this is also true. Now the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. No, this is false, because if you see the value of this cos, I'm writing it like with different pen. That if I write it here cos, this is sorry, this is some light pen, and let me write it with different. This is, if I write it with cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60, and cos 90, you can see that this, for this I'm writing in this orange pen. This is cos of 0 is 1, cos of 30 will be root 3 by 2, and root 3 by 2 is nothing but, sorry, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 is nothing but 0.866. This is 1.0, and cos of 45 is root 1 by root 2, and which is same, that is, this is 0.707, and cos of 60 is half, is nothing but 0.5, and cos of 90 is 0. And you can see that your theta is increasing, but if you see the value, this is 1, this is less, 0.8 less, and 0.707 is also less from previous, and 0.5 is even less than previous, and this 0 and finally comes to 0, which is much less. So if theta increases, this cos theta will decrease. So this third option is false. Now fourth, sin theta equal to cos theta for all values theta. No, you can see from table that for only this, that is only 45 degree, theta equal to 45 degree, your cos theta will be equal to sin theta. And sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, and cos 45 degree is also 1 by root 2. And for only for theta equal to 45 degree, these two values will be equal. Hence, this fourth option will always be false. Now, what cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. Now, you know that tan of 0 is 0. Cot of 0 is nothing but 1 by tan 0. So this is nothing 1 by 0. We know that 1 by 0 is not defined. Hence, cot A is not defined for equal to 0 is true. So with this, I have completed your exercise 8.2, and the before example I have also completed. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.